Hey, congratulations, you finished Module 2. We just want to take a few moments now and just summarize what happened in Module 2, how it relates to Module 1, and the activities that we're asking you to further develop your skills. First of all, in Module 1, at the end of it, we asked you to do a calibration exercise of your current leadership style. That's why we asked you to fill out that inventory, the questionnaire, and then give it to other people so that you could see if what you thought you were doing matches up with what they were seeing. Okay, that helps the overall piece. As you recall, as we were talking and delving into leadership, Hershey and Blanchard in situational leadership feel that flexibility, leadership flexibility, and that really is what we're talking about in Module 2, is a key element in understanding A, how it sort of flows and works, and B, how to use it. I use as an example, particularly with the idea of flexibility, to look at what my coach in college, Coach Riley, had when he stated he treated everyone the same by treating them differently, demonstrating that flexibility of meeting everybody where they're at in order to get them where they needed to be. And then, of course, we looked at the TED Talk about the United States Air Force in determining that there is no such thing as average, and that really people are, if we design more out to the edges, we'd be better off. So what does this have to do with situational leadership? Well, let's think about that for a moment. What we're talking about in situational leadership is we're talking about being able to choose styles, okay, that match up with the current group and situation of what we have to accomplish. And in order to do that, we are in effect going to the edges. So instead of just adopting one leadership style that you're comfortable with, okay, and sort of forcing everybody to follow lockstep behind you in attempts to do things, we're suggesting that, like my coach, by treating everything differently is in actuality treating everything the same in terms of trying to get somewhere, take them where they are and bring them somewhere else. And the Air Force saying, hey, look, if you have a system that is flexible, in other words, it's designed to the outer edges, you'll be better able to customize what you need. And that's what we're really talking about there. There's obviously other implications for education opportunities for students also that shouldn't be forgotten. But I digress. Okay, so the activity to bring it all together for this section is for you in the action plan to do sort of a leadership inventory, okay? A leadership inventory of what you're doing now, what you see, beginning to analyze what type of leadership styles you mostly use, and to get you to think about what skill sets you need to improve in which of these areas here to further develop. All right? I hope you find it worthwhile, and we'll see you soon.